on it to keep it up there?
No, somebody has to pull it up and down.
Ah.
Okay, so somebody has to pull it up and down, and up and down, and up and down. Hey.
Okay. I'll do it.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Sam's taller. Okay. See
I
if you
need
can.
somebody to spot the ladder.
Okay, I got it.
We got it, we got it.
You have to.
Yeah.
And the other side has to come down far enough to somebody to grab it.
Get your rodeo stick.
Well, that's not quite where we needed it to be. Who's got a good arm? Andrew. Bradley.
No, this stick was fighting me just now.
I have an idea. Why don't you tie it in like a little ball?
Yeah, I was thinking we might want to make a ball out of it.
Yeah, and then throw it over the branch.
Okay, and let me move this a bit back because I really didn't have a good angle.
Why not try this tree over here? We could. Why not try it over here?
Yeah.
Nobody seems to be interested in some of my
That
suggestions.
tree. Oi. No, you have to go up a
Yeah,
little bit
I know.
on the ladder.
Yeah, I know. Just that fight.
Okay. So,
I was thinking of that song too.
High hopes.
Beats the heck out of singing. I was singing
I'll
this
stand
night.
behind you, Sam.
Okay.
You fall backwards.
Thank you very much. Appreciate that.
Thank you very much. You would have had it if it wasn't for that other button.
I
Here,
have
I
it.
think
I
what's going on
have
is
it.
that I have too much tension.
Wait.
Try to get rid of it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, but now we have to get the other end.
Where's the stick?
Do you have a broom
Okay.
with a hook on the end of it? This is more fun than the piñata.
Okay, and how the heck are we supposed to?
I always had very tall uncles that would just,
He is. Good idea. Get in the loop and pull.
Okay.
Yeah, pull.
There we go.
all right. And here it comes, here it
All right,
comes.
let go of that.
Uh-huh.
Just let go of the piñata.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Now we can untie this and hang. Somebody has to hang on to it now.
Okay. How about I do it first and I show you how it's done?
We have to get everything.
Okay.
I'll untie it since I tied it.
Yeah.
Let go.
But now wait. There's more.
More what?
You
Made it a lot tighter than it was. All right.
Take a picture of me, Richard, with this holding the stick at the piñata.